Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to generate DKIM keys in Postfix server. So step number 1, installing OpenDKIM on your Postfix server. Start with the installation. And step number 2, configure OpenDKIM. Edit OpenDKIM main configuration file. Find the mode V line and change it to mode SV. By default, OpenDKIM is set to verification mode V, which verifies the DKIM signature of receiving email messages. Changing the mode to SV will let us activate the signing mode for outgoing mails. In the same OpenDKIM configuration file, find the following lines and remove the comment hashtag. At the end of this file, add the following commands on separate lines. So domain, yourdomain.com, then require save keys, space false. Edit the signing table file. So sudo space nano space dash etc dash open dkim dash signing table, and add the following line at the end of this file. So asterisk at yourdomain.com space your selector dot underscore domain key dot yourdomain.com. Save and close the OpenDKIM main configuration file and edit the key table file. So sudo space nano space dash etc dash OpenDKIM dash key table, and add the following line: your selector dot underscore domain key dot yourdomain.com and yourdomain.com colon your selector colon dash etc dash OpenDKIM dash keys dash yourdomain.com dash default dot private. Save and close the file, edit the OpenDKIM trusted hosts file, and add this: sudo space nano space dash etc dash OpenDKIM dash trusted hosts 127.0.0.0.1 and colon 1 are included in this file by default. Add the following line: asterisk dot yourdomain.com. Now generate the private and public keys. Create a new directory for your domain. Sudo space mkdir space dash etc dash OpenDKIM dash keys dash yourdomain.com. Generate keys using OpenDKIM GenKey tool. So sudo space OpenDKIM GenKey space -b 1024 -d space yourdomain.com space -d dash etc dash OpenDKIM dash keys dash yourdomain.com space dash s your selector space dash v. Now publish the created public key in your DNS. Get and display the public key. The name and target should be your selector dot underscore domain key. The content value you've copied in the previous stage, make sure to remove any spaces or double quotes. And step number 5, connect Postfix to OpenDKIM. Now that you have configured OpenDKIM, it's time to implement Postfix DKIM. So edit Postfix main configuration file, then add the following lines. Save and close the file and restart OpenDKIM and Postfix. Now, step number 6, you need to test your DKIM configuration. Send a test email from your server to confirm that Postfix DKIM is working. And that's it. Thanks for watching.